Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to trade in Roblox. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in on your Roblox. Open the left menu and then click Trade. This opens your trading hub. And here you'll see inbound trades, items people offer you, outbound trades, item you offered, completed, finished trades, then inactive, declined, or expired. To start a trade, go to someone's profile, click the three dots, then select trade items. Now choose what you want to offer and what you want to receive. Your items are on the left, theirs are on the right. Important, both account must be 13 plus and verified or trading won't work. Once you're done picking items, click make offer to send the trade. And remember, Roblox takes a 30% tax on item sales, so you'll receive less Robux. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.